how to make your computer look like this, this, or anything else you might want. So let's get right into it. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your computer look like just about anything you want. That means like this how-to's logo that I've decided to use for videos now. uh, Anything like my cat I used to have, you know, just about anything you want. And occasionally it will do that, that's nothing to worry about. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to need to do is you need to go to your desktop here. So if you're in a program like the internet, you just hit the X button or the minimize button and you're into the desktop here. Right click on the screen somewhere, not on an icon, hit the Personalise button. Should bring up this control panel window. Now in here we should be able to pick themes like gaming. This is my normal theme that I normally use, don't know why I called it that. Here we are, and then the background. Everything will change on your screen. There we go. And you have the screen looking quite lovely. Or you can change it to something else, like how-tos. Go back to that. You can have as many themes as you like, you can delete them, boom, gone. You can save themes, which is basically what you've set things to. So, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to change your desktop background, most basic thing in Windows. Also there are these pre-made themes, there's Windows 7, this default theme that you'll always get by default. There you are. Or you can have these slideshows, just where it will change your background every so often. That's the thing, you have that. It's not even, they're not hard. So back to that. There's also Windows 7 Basic here, which some programs will automatically change to. There's Windows Classic, makes it look like Windows 2000, pretty much. There we are. Bit thick taskbar, but you can change that pretty easily. But that's just how that works. Okay, now to the desktop background changing. So I've got this how-to's logo, but I could go to here and I could set it to be this creeper from Minecraft. And it will set that to be background. So, but the problem is some images are not big enough, so you just get that tiny little thing there problem. But that's fixable, not that bad. Okay, what else could I pick? I could pick this from my Minecraft how-to multiplayer video on how to do a Minecraft server. I could pick that as my background. But you're probably thinking, I don't have all these pictures. Hit save changes and exit out. Now exit this and go to the interweb. Once in the interweb, you can go to Google Images and search something generic, Minecraft. Boom. Go search Minecraft. Picture you like on the internet, you can pick it as your desktop background. Yeah. But anyway, you can do that. But anyway, back to Personalise. Let's just say, and you just right click on it in Google Images and hit set as desktop background, and it will automatically set as your desktop background. I'm just gonna set it to, for these purposes, we'll set it to this one. Save changes. The next thing we're going to change is the colour of your taskbar, the bit outside around your windows, that sort of thing. So you hit Windows Colour, we can set to any of these things. So say we like orange, we hit pumpkin, and then you can set how intense an orange it is. Have it to be just clear here, or very intense, deep orange. I'm just going to go for about there. in the middle and hit Save Changes. Now you can also change Windows sounds. So this is things like sound it makes when it closes programs, although that's not normal. Let's go for Delta. Then we'll go default beep, test, and you get that. If we go to Windows default beep, sounds different. If we go for afternoon, default beep, sounds different again. That is the sounds. I'm gonna go for calligraphy. Very nice, I like it. Okay, and then we hit OK and saves that. Now screensaver, everyone loves screensavers. At the moment I've made this custom screensaver. Here it is. It's how-tos. Very nice screensaver. 3D text. Now there's dozens of options. There's a few options. There's this one here. Don't know what this is, but preview. It's just your normal screen. I have photos, which basically just plays photos from your photos area through. You can have all sorts of things for that. You can have, we can go for bubbles, preview, and bubbles start appearing on your screen like that. It's kind of neat. You know, and they bounce around on the edge of the screen, that sort of thing. Bubbles, and then there's Mystify, which looks quite nice. There it is. Very, very nice. I love it. There's also, what else is there? There's ribbons. I quite like this one. And as you can see, it's ribbons. Basically just, you know, shooting around the screen and fade away eventually. On Windows XP there used to be a thing called pipes, but sadly they've removed that, which I'm quite sad about. Set it to ribbons, okay. Now, set to ribbons, and we've got this lovely theme. And we can switch to that theme, or we can switch back to this theme. And it makes that lovely noise. And then, now, say we want to save the theme, which means if we change something like the desktop background, it won't delete the old one. To do that, we hit Save Theme, and we go, and we call it, right on here we can call it, say, Theme 1. Save. And then you've got Theme 1, you've got how-tos, but that means now, if we go back to Theme 1, we can change the desktop background to, say, let's change it to this one from my mouse pointers video. Save changes. If you hit Save Changes, it doesn't delete Theme 1. We can still revert to this theme. That's why this is useful. Very good. And then we can go back to this and continue editing. We can set window color to be sky. Save changes. And we can go sounds. We can set to heritage. We go to default view. Test sounds nice. And we can set the screensaver to be Mystify. Okay. And then we can save it as save theme. We can call it Theme 2. Save. And voila. That's your Theme 2 and Theme 1. And you switch between them and change it even more. That is how you change your theme. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you found this really useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.